Aloha, it's me Dashama, and I am here in the beautiful One World Ayurveda Center in Bali, Indonesia. And I'm so excited. Today we're going to be doing an all-natural Ayurvedic facial. I have Dr. Ninu and his staff here, and they're going to be explaining all of the ingredients that we use so that you can do this at home along with us. Be sure and leave a comment, click like, share with your friends, and let me know what you think about this facial if you end up doing it at home, and if you'd like to see more videos like this. Thank you so much, and have a beautiful, blessed day. Namaste.
I'm Dr. Ninu and resident doctor in One World Ayurveda, and that's Ari, the supervisor. So we are here for a practical demonstration. Today's activity what we have here is Ayurvedic facial. So I'll be explaining few things about the ingredients what we use for the facial. So we'll start up with first the cleanser. What we use is like lemon and honey. So we cut the lemon and squeeze lemon into the honey. Both has the cleansing properties and more vitamin A and C, which helps to cleanse and regenerate your skin. And then what we use as toner is cucumber, the sliced cucumber, as you could see here. We'll be putting it in a mixer with little bit of water and blending, and this cucumber juice will be applied over your skin as a toner. So it helps to revitalize and regenerate your skin, and even it helps to take the excess fluid retention, and it is good for dark circles also. And after the toner, what we do is like the scrub. So the ingredients for the scrub is turmeric, rice flour, milk and aloe vera, and we mix it into a scrub action and will be applying over your face. Turmeric, as you know, it has like many anti-inflammatory, bacterial, fungal properties, and rice flour, it helps to prevent and protect suntan, and also cleansing of the skin, which helps to take the dead cells out from your facial part. Then we will be doing a face massage. For that, what we use is the coconut oil, which has more antioxidant properties. So a 5 to 10 minutes massage will be done, which will be like lifting massage, which helps to get the circulation better, and your face will be glowing a bit more. And after the massage, then we will be putting the herbal paste, which we prepare with rice, licorice, papaya and tomato, like blending papaya and tomato, and that will be mixed with the licorice powder what we have. Licorice has antioxidant properties, and it helps to take the dead cells and circles out from your skin. And papaya and tomato are good and rich in vitamin A and C, and it helps to take the dark circles out from your skin. For the eye bag, like to cover your eyes, what we keep is like the cucumber. So if you are having like eye bags or water retention over your part here, then it's good to cut a slice of cucumber and keep over here, which helps to get the excess fluid retention from your skin. And the last step what we will be doing is the moisturizer. So what we use as moisturizer is avocado. So the scrape part of avocado blended and applied over your skin. Naturally, avocado has a moisturizing nature. So in few conditions we mix it with buttermilk, and it helps to nourish your skin part. With that, we finished the explanation of the practical demonstration, and you could have seen all that what we use is natural things, and it's good for your skin, which helps to soften, glow and revitalizing and regenerating. Okay, thank you for watching.